Julian, you have a dress like this. You don't wear anymore. Pink. Okay. So you might probably wear another underneath a skirt. Oh. Jelana, let me see what you got. Long earlier when we got in, it's a long line, so I don't know why they have a long line earlier, right, Jelana? But this is so much better than today. I done earlier like 20 lines over there. Yeah. Jelana, give that to dad now so we can go there and look. No, you don't need to. Come on. Give that to dad so he can pay. So we can go there. Jelana, let's go here and look. Come on. See, we'll wait. Look. What are these? Oh, look at that. Electric citric juicer. Wow. Hmm. It's no more. Daming mumu ni ano ah. Maricar. Mumu mo yan, Maricar. Oh, what you got? Let me see. Whoa. 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 Whoa, whoa, whoa. One more. Let me see. Whoa. Oo nga, dami, no? Namang, look at you. Where are you? No. Thank you. You have a pillow like that already. Oh, wow. What is that? Oh, alam niya, ano lang, tingin-tingin lang siya. Okay, come on. Oh, tingin-tingin lang siya. Where are we going? Ah, okay, let's go then. Oh, well, Jade wanna go to the GameStop since you're going famous footwear. Well, if you're going to one, then Michael's. Really? When did you know you paid by yourself? No wonder your account is still 300. Your bank account is 300. You use how much money you use? That's $100 that I'm gone. Goodness gracious. Wow. Wow. cold day.